I got a new car. I'm, yeah, I'm ready to show everybody my new car, man. Anyway. Stand size hitting fun. I know it's kind of old, but I mean, believe it or not, man, this car is actually, I actually got a super. This is a sports model. This is a joint. It got a little V8 in it. I'm actually on my way to the auto shop real quick because I want to see if I could upgrade. But it gets silly though. Don't underestimate. You look, you see how small the supercharged. Probably like a, I don't know. Just looking at it, a 2 liter supercharged, maybe a 2.5. It's kind of big, but hopefully I can get maybe a 3 liter, and just go ahead and build the motor all the way. Maybe get about 500-600 horses out of it. It's older cars, so I ain't really expecting too many more gains. But I mean, overall, just stock, I'm sitting pretty. I just got this though over at the track. But like I said, I'm on my way to the shop, man. So let's make it happen. Yeah, I push rubber down, man. I push rubber down. I push rubber down. I don't want to do too much because I will bust these tires. I know that from experience. So, see, right now, even with the CAI, you cannot hear nothing. No induction sounds or anything like that. So, I need to go get a tune and see what my people at the shop is talking about. Streets is kind of empty today. So I'm over it now, so let me just hit it. Woo! Over at my people at Advanced Auto Works, man. They normally do all my cars. Ooh, shit. Alright, I ain't wrecked. Shit, my people's here. Alright, man, I'm gonna put my order together and be right back. This is the car reveal. Time to check out everything. So this is everything I got done to it. Look like a brand new car for real. New wheels. These are 19 by 9s on the front and the back. So I got thicker tires. Got a new hood. Pretty much everything. Oh man, and I dropped a brand new beast of a motor in here too. I got the manual shifter. Got rid of the automatic. Red interior. Damn, did they take it? I can't open the hood no more. Let's see. it's not. Okay, well, whatever, man. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up. I got a brand new plate too, California plates. Big boy, I got a new mode. I got the 6.9 in there. And then I put a stage 3 supercharger on here. And then I added a little bit of that sauce too. Yeah, added a little bit of that sauce. So go ahead and get them cranked up and get out the shop. But they do good work over here, so my engine shouldn't blow or nothing like that. But you know, it's always a chance when you start digging into things and doing your own thing to any car. So we're just gonna see. Oh yeah, sound good. Oh yeah, that sound real good. Listen to that. So you got the side exit, a little bit of backfire, custom tune, upgraded brakes, tires, interior. Only thing I didn't do was put 10 all on the car, but that's because I like the way it looked right here, and it just looks real clean. All right, now we on the way. Woo! Shit! Damn, hold on, let me not crash. I just got my car fixed. Just got it fixed. Damn! Why are we slamming our brakes on the green light, bro? You know what? Let me hit this smooth U-turn real quick. Damn, oh shit. What we got going on, man? Damn. Man, they on some insurance fraud, man. Look how close this guy is behind me. I can't even get out. They so close. Man, can y'all let me out of here? I just got my car fixed. I'm trying to go to the track. Hello? Man, I'm really stuck right here. Oh shit, hit wrong. Damn. I know I said maybe 500 to 600 horsepower, but I think it might be a little more than that. I might need to take this back for a dyno test. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Damn. Another hit and run. fresh out the shop and I already need to go back because these people just. Oh shit. I don't know what's going on with the motherfucking pedestrians today. They are tripping. I'm glad there wasn't no police around because can't none of them catch me. And I ain't got insurance on this car. I paid cash for this car. White line. White line.